Welcome back. This is question 7 for the NC Math 1 released items. Here is the question. Joanna has a total of 50 coins in her purse. The coins are either nickels or quarters, and the total value of the coins is $7.10. Which system of equations can be used to determine the number of nickels, N, and the number of quarters, Q, that Joanna has in her purse? And like a good math student, you're going to try this question on your own. So give that a pause, and you can come back to it. Okay, here we go. So we have 50 coins. 50 coins. First thing I'm going to do is I say, all right, well, I have this many coins that add up to 50. 50 coins in our purse. They're going to be either nickels or quarters, and we're calling them N and Q. So their sum is going to be 50. I hope that makes sense. It's just the N plus Q is equal to 50. It stands for the number. So we're gonna obviously get rid of that and that because that does not have that. In fact, N plus Q should just be 50. Like, honestly, we can get rid of this one too. So without really doing any work, my answer is going to be A. Okay, you just got to know this, the coins add up to 50. But what if answer choice B also had 50 there for the number that I crossed out? Well, let's go through and look at our possibilities how to set this up. First, you got to know that a nickel is going to be 5 cents. So how much is a nickel? In dollar terms, a nickel is going to be $0.05. That is a nickel. And then a quarter is going to be $0.25. So this question is expecting that you know what those are, so maybe study your money or whatever. So how's that going to look like as an equation? Well, they're going to add up to $7.10. So the total value is what they add up to. So how many nickels do I have? Well, I have uh, zero point zero 0.05, and then that's going to be however many nickels I have. And then I have 0.25, 25 cents. That's going to be how many cores I have. And if I plug in the number of nickels, the number of quarters, that total number should add up to $7.10. So hopefully it makes sense on this one, why it's still A. And there is really no work. You just have to think about what that means.